It started as an experiment and became one of the most popular designer dogs in America. Meet the Puggle. Puggles didn't evolve naturally, they were created, on purpose. This lovable hybrid is a mix between a pug and a beagle, bred to combine the best traits of both the friendliness and compact size of the pug, and the intelligence and tracking instincts of the beagle. So when and where did the Puggle story begin? The first intentional Puggle was bred in the 1980s in the United States, specifically in Wisconsin. A dog breeder named Wallace Havens is credited with creating the breed. He registered the name Puggle, and the rest is history. The goal? A small family-friendly dog with fewer breathing issues than a pug, but with less of the beagle's stubborn streak.